Hey guys, Todd Hasty here, eXp Realty. I hope you're having a great day. I'm out here at 470 Askin Lane. I just listed this house and I'm getting a lot of activity already. It's over in the Austin Bottom area of Center Hill Lake, and it is a awesome house. It is lakefront with a great little path to the water. I'm going to do a quick video walkthrough because a lot of people have been wanting more video of this house. All right, let me see if I can get this switched around. And okay, here we go. There's the path down to the water, and I'm gonna go downstairs here in a minute. But this, I'm out here on the back covered deck or balcony. It's 40 feet long and it is covered. It's just been painted. And here we're gonna walk in the front door. This house is almost 2,000 square feet, 1,988 square feet. And as you walk in, you'll see big old long, over a 35 foot long room. Lots of windows, French doors leading out onto the covered balcony. Beautiful hardwood floors, tons of natural light. And it's got a through the trees lake view. It's gonna, as the leaves fall off, it's gonna be beautiful here this fall. We're right on the core line. So let's take a look at the rest of the house. We've got 2 fireplaces. There is the first wood burning fireplace. And then here on the main floor, we've got a tile bath with a tub. And it's a good looking vintage tile. Really popular these days. We've got a small bedroom. This is the second upstairs bedroom, and then a large bedroom. And this is a 2-room suite. Got a dressing area, good size mirrored closet. Then the sleeping room of the bedroom area, the second room of the suite, with a huge picture window overlooking the lake. And you're right here on Center Hill Lake. And like I said, as the leaves change and the leaves fall, it's really going to enhance that view. And then another set of nice French doors opening up to a private balcony area that does have a little privacy fence around to offer you. You can step out right outside if you want, or a separate entrance to this bedroom. Okay, let's do a quick walk downstairs to the walkout basement. House does have central heat and air. Not very old, it does a good job. Here is the third bedroom, or could be a second living area. Lots of windows, as you can see. There's a closet over there. Beautiful hardwoods. I love this wall with the second wood burning fireplace and a great hearth. And now the kitchen, you walk into the kitchen area. It's a big, long eat-in kitchen. More windows overlooking the lake. You can get a little bit better lake view down here. Little bit of storage. Then the second full bath. Good looking ceramic tile in great shape. Vintage tile. Love the look. Big long mirror. Length of the bathroom. Then we're going to step out the walkout basement onto the second covered deck. And there's the core marker, and there is your path down to the lake. Right there, another big covered deck area. It's 40 foot long. You can hear the boats out here. It's just a beautiful sight. Awesome location. This house is priced at $205. I'm sure it's going to go quick. Give me a call, 615-218-9891. I look forward to hearing back from you.